Welcome to the e-learning modules on Electric Vehicle Charging Infrastructure or EVCI. These modules have been developed by MP Ensystems Advisory Pvt Limited with CESL and Electric Mobility Initiative as knowledge partners. This is the third module in the e-learning series. In this module, we will demonstrate the EVCI website we have developed and the planner tool used to perform analysis and generate maps indicating locations for siting EVCI.
Greetings from MP Ensystems. We are a niche sustainability consulting and advisory firm. We work in several sectors including power sector, transportation, built environment, and our motivation is to promote decarbonization of all of these sectors while making sure that the livelihood enhancement is kept intact. Through this series of modules related to the electric vehicle charging infrastructure, we bring to you some kind of a methodical process to create a deeper understanding of where should we really have the charging infrastructure set up, at what locations, and there are three parameters that we are using to do so. One is the grid interactivity, second one is the convenience of the users, and the third part is about revenue maximization through this entire process. So welcome. I hope you all enjoy this series of modules. Thank you so much.
Welcome all to the evci.in website developed by MP Ensystems. This website will act as a one-stop location for all the details, news and updates on EVCI developments in India. Let's start with the website. The website has been divided into multiple sections including what's new, investments, recent work undertaken by us, e-learning modules and our ecosystem partners. The highlight of this website is the EVCI planner tool, which will help perform analysis based on the data inputs and parameters set by the team. We will get back to this planner tool shortly. The What's New section will present current news on EVs and EVCI and will take you to the original news portal for additional information. The investment section currently showcases the actual investments made on the ground in Pune, Pvt Chinchwad and Goa, where our team was actively involved in the siting studies. We will regularly update this table. The next section is for recent work, focusing on Goa, Pune and Pvt Chinchwad. Each area here gives general information on the region, its demographics, total vehicle count, etc. The video here takes you to the area with a legend showing the different types of locations suggested for EVCI siting. Similarly, videos for Pune and Pvt Chinchwad have been uploaded. The three-part e-learning modules are part of the next section. You can refer to the modules to get a broad understanding of EVCI in India. We will update the website regularly, which will help users to stay informed. Now let's look at how to use the EVCI Planner tool. The EVCI Planner tool will take you to a single sign-in procedure where users will be asked to fill data such as name, email ID, designation, company name and country. The link will be sent to the user's email to set a password and then start using the tool. This is the opening screen of the Planner tool. The left panel shows the 3 sites that the team worked on. Let's select Pune and explore further. The tool showcases 2 categories: site visualization and utilization analysis. The site visualization will showcase a map of the city with the potential EVCI siting locations. Here in case of Pune, we can see the locations spread across the entire region. Also, the left panel shows several layers of location typologies which can be played with to generate new maps. The site visualization also states the total administrative area with the approximate grid cell size. The utilization analysis, on the other hand, helps the user to play with several parameters such as type of charger and cost. This analysis is performed on basis of the inputs provided to the tool in form of GIS maps of the area, latitude longitude of the suggested locations, total vehicle count and traffic profile of the region. The screen here shows the typical traffic profile of Pune region with bimodal pattern of the traffic during morning and evening rush hours. The initial analysis can be run by selecting or changing the parameters on the left panel. The outcome of this initial analysis is the utilization histogram with site utilization and traffic congestion based on the input parameters. The maps here present the percentage of utilization based on the scale correlating with the dense traffic patterns of the city. The histogram presents utilization percentages of these suggested locations, also focusing on the percentage of locations that will be unserviced or unused in the initial year of implementation. The intent is for the user to understand the correlation of the current number of EVs registered and the proximity of sites proposed. The clustering command will perform based on the clustering cutoff parameter set of the left panel. The sites in the region of this cutoff will be collated as one, impacting in the reduction of final analysis of potential sites. As you see here, the number of sites have reduced to 75 from 117 based on the clustering cutoff of 1 kilometer. The final analysis is performed on the shortlisted 75 sites. The final analysis clearly shows the increase in the utilization factor, showing the effectiveness of the sites chosen. The final maps of site utilization and traffic congestion can be downloaded in the format of Excel sheets for further use. This tool will help individuals, organizations working in the EVCI siting ecosystem to suggest and analyze locations for EVCI implementation. Please contact us at the email address on your screen if you have questions or to share your results. Thank you.